Guys, I'm so excited! Today we're gonna open a really big mystery box. Ta-da! This is the mystery box! Wow! I'm back again! Let's open the box in 3, 2, 1, and the box is open! Ooh, guys. This is the first gift!
Whoa!
Let's open it! A white chocolate letter!
Yippee!
Yes!
So cute!
Let's put it here. Let's get the second gift. It's gonna be this one. Yes, this. Let's open the present. Chocolate! You know chocolate!
Yippee!
Yes! This third gift. Here it is. Let's open the present. I think it's Monopoly. I think you're in. Yeah, it is. I think. It is a Monopoly chocolate! Yes!
Yippee!
Let's get the next gift. Oh, I think it's Lego. Yes, I think. Oh, I see it. Oh. Yes, it's Lego!
Nice.
Let's get the next gift. Ooh. I wonder what this is. Yes! Yes!
Oh, wow, man.
Let's get the next gift. Ooh, this is a big one. Let's open it.
Whoa! Wow!
Yes, 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 yes!
Nice.
This is what we want. This is the wolf stronghold. Watch out for the video when I gonna build it. Ooh. Yes! Yes!
Wow!
Yes! I want it! Yes! This is a Hot Wheels Mega Garage!
Oh, wow, man.
Yes, I'm so happy! It's heavy. Maybe I can fit in the box. Let's try it. I'm gonna close it.
Wait, what?
I can do it. And the other one too. Yeah.
Amazing.
Next one. I'm in the box. Wow. And open it with my feet. If you want to be awesome, hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.